There were a lot of really healthy and productive conversations that were happening here. Lots of good booth traffic.
We were able to attract a lot of new customers and create awareness in the market.
The show has gone very well. We've had good traffic at our booth.
Customers are looking for efficient automation and suppliers that can provide a solution.
You've got current customers, you've got potential customers, you've got all these great partners and potential partners as well too. When you mix all that together, you just have these great opportunities to link things together, to find new projects to work on.
I mean, we come into every show with our finger on the pulse of what the customers are looking for, the direction the market is going. Really be able to sit down with those customers and have that direct conversation is just always exciting and a good time.